Epcot. And we are here first thing in the morning. I haven't been here this early in so long, actually. But I like it. There's not a lot of people. Purchased lightning lane tickets for Guardians, so getting on that again. But right now we're going to the land to get on Soarin', which I've never gotten on. So it's exciting to see that and what that's going to be like. And then maybe Frozen afterwards. We'll see. Beautiful morning in Epcot though. We're back at Guardians. Second time. So excited. Again, I wonder what song we're gonna get this time. I got September last time, so which one are we gonna get? Lightning Lane was super fast. We are already at the first presentation. So quick. I'm back at Disney, but guys, this time it's a part of IPW, and this is their Culture of Possibilities celebration. Right now we have World Showcase closed off, and we're kind of food hopping. We have some food along the way, some entertainment, some characters, some shows are gonna happen. But we're trying to make our way to Guardians. Even though we just heard it earlier, I feel like it's okay to do it again.
This is IPW! People running to Guardians! I cannot believe this!
wrap on day one, guys. I look so tired. My eyes are so red because I'm tired. Literally been up since like 5:15 this morning. I feel like I've been at Epcot all day, which isn't bad, but I'm so tired. Like, I can't begin to describe to you how much my feet hurt so right now. But today has been so great. I mean, I did so much. We on Guardians twice. I got on Soarin' for the first time, which was really fun. I did Living with the Land. I had never done that. We did Frozen. We did Spaceship Earth, which kept stopping, which was kind of freaking me out, and so I don't think I'll ride that again. But doing Cosmic Rewind twice today was awesome. To me, it just keeps getting better and better, like every time I get on it. And I had different songs each time. There's 6 songs in rotation, I heard, so can't wait to get on it more times and hear other songs. So far my favorites are September, A Disco Inferno, but everyone says that Everybody Wants to Rule the World is a really good song for it. But the whole event was cool. I'm at IPW, for those of you that don't know. It's I think it's U.S. Travel Association's largest travel trade show, and it's freaking incredible. You have CVBs, DMOs, organizations from across the globe here, writers, media, like tour operators, travel planners. Everyone is here in Orlando for IPW. And it's just been a crazy experience, and I can't wait to see what tomorrow holds for the trade show floor and the activations and all that stuff that I'll show you guys. So good night. I will see you in the morning.